G'day folks, it's Ricko here with another great easy tip. One of my favourite things about the Easy Trail Lincoln LX is this, the fact that it comes with an ensuite and a nice hot water shower as well. Now, this uses a Truma hot water system, and I'm going to show you how to use that whether you're running off of gas or 240 volts. The very first step before we go to power up our hot water system is to remove the vent cover on the outside of the trailer. You do this with 2 thumbs in the middle, and out she comes like that. You never ever want to run your hot water system with the vent cover attached. Now, if you found yourself in a caravan park and you're going to be running your system off of 240 volts, or perhaps you're running off a big generator, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure the power is plumbed up. So we'll plug him in, then over to the control panel, we'll hit the power, and then the pump. Now, if you find yourself out in the scrub away from power, you can still enjoy a hot water using gas. What you need to do is make sure that it's all connected up, and of course, the gas is switched on. Now, if you happen to find yourself in a situation where you're at a caravan park, you're plugged into 240, but you've also got the gas connected so that you can use your Easy Trails Gourmet kitchen, it's worth noting that the Truma hot water system will always revert back to the 240 volt system as a default. So whether you're running off of 240 volts or gas, we've covered all the steps you need to be ready to take your first shower with your Truma hot water system. The next thing you need to do is set your temperature, and that's via this little switch here. So the setting up the top there, that's 60 degrees. That'll heat your water up just a little bit quicker. The setting down the bottom, that's 70 degrees. It'll take a couple of minutes longer, but you'll have a longer, hotter shower as well. Right in the middle, of course, that's the off position. Believe me, there's nothing better than a hot shower in the middle of the bush. Now, if you'd like any more hints, tips, hints and hacks and things that I picked up over the years from towing easy trails just like this one to all corners of the country, make sure you head to the Facebook page and subscribe to the Easy Trail page there. Hey, and while you're online, jump over to YouTube, give that a subscribe and a bit of a thumbs up as well, and hit that bell icon. That way you'll be notified when new videos come out. Easy Trail, they really are making camping easy.